Hey there, this is Wendy. Thanks for joining me. I'm so excited you're here today so that I can show you August's exclusive thank you gift. From July 23rd to August 22nd, if you place a minimum purchase of $50 or more from me, you will receive this stamp set and 2 of these card kits. So this is the card. It is actually cased directly from the Stampin' Up! Catalog. I apologize if you hear some weird noises in the background. My house is being worked on. So I've got these really cool cards. I'm going to do 2 kits in one package. So it's just the one card, but you can make 2 of them. And then of course the stamp set. So again, let's just quickly, I'll explain everything to you. You make a $50 minimum purchase using the current host code, and you will receive these kits and the springtime roll stamp set. However, I want to make it very clear that you do not add this stamp set to your order. This is not a stamp set that you're going to receive immediately. You will get it at the end of August when the promotion ends. So it would be after August 22nd before you would receive this stamp set. So just want to make that clear up front. Everybody understands that this is a gift that you receive at a later time. If you would like to order with me, you can go to shoploveandstampin.com or visit my website at loveandstampin.com and place an order. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Click on either image you see here to make an order, to watch a video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.